Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Adobe Acrobat Sign Review My Usage Experience. Adobe Acrobat Sign Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way to review and manage documents requiring e-signatures. It's primarily aimed at individuals and businesses needing a simple, efficient method for reviewing documents before signing or sending them for signature. Key features include document preview, annotation tools, and a clear overview of the signing process. Their website provides details on pricing plans. They highlight ease of use and integration with other Adobe products as key selling points. The platform emphasizes a straightforward workflow, aiming for transparency in pricing and avoiding hidden fees or lengthy contracts. Availability is global, and users can check compatibility with their existing Adobe accounts on the website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Adobe Acrobat Sign Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I already had an Adobe account, so accessing the review feature was seamless. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found it incredibly easy to navigate through different documents, adding comments and highlighting areas that needed clarification using their annotation tools. The performance was excellent, documents loaded quickly, and the responsiveness was consistently good. I had a quick question about setting up a specific notification and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Keeping track of multiple documents in review was straightforward. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to easily compare different versions of a document side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though the web interface worked well on my phone. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for managing user permissions, but once I understood them, it was very helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Adobe Acrobat Sign Review. It's a valuable tool for efficient document review and collaboration. That's my overview of Adobe Acrobat Sign Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.